Chevrolet is about to prove once again that a sub-$30,000 crossover can do things the competition simply cannot match. And the refreshed 2027 Trax is the vehicle making that argument. If you've been shopping this segment and keep walking away feeling like every option either costs too much or gives up too much, the 2027 Trax is about to solve that problem for you. Most buyers assume a crossover. This affordable has to cut corners somewhere on space, on features, or on how it actually drives, but the Trax delivers on all three fronts at once, and that's exactly what makes it so difficult to beat. New styling. The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is going through a mid-cycle refresh, and the changes are showing up in all the right places. Up front, the fascia is adopting a more squared-off, upright appearance, a notably different direction compared to the outgoing design. The vertical lighting elements that have been a Trax signature are transitioning toward a more horizontal layout, giving the front end a wider, more purposeful look. The primary headlights are moving higher on the fascia and arriving in a two-lamp side-by-side configuration, while new grille mesh is also part of the package. A lot of buyers in this segment have felt that budget crossovers tend to look exactly like what they cost: plain, forgettable, and easily confused with half a dozen other vehicles in the same parking lot. The rear styling refresh is addressing that directly. The taillights are taking on a dual-level lighting signature with two distinct light strips, giving the back end a more distinctive premium look. The reverse lights are moving closer to center, pulling the whole rear layout wider and more horizontally oriented. The rear bumper shape is revised as well, and a new alloy wheel design rounds out a set of updates that collectively make the 2027 Trax feel genuinely fresh without abandoning what already works. And a great-looking crossover means nothing if the people riding inside don't have enough room. So let's talk about what's going on in the cabin. Spacious and comfortable cabin. For a crossover wearing this kind of price tag, the Trax's interior is going to genuinely catch people off guard. The cabin is roomy enough to comfortably seat adults in both rows, which is something that's far from guaranteed in a subcompact crossover. Front legroom checks in at 41.9 inches, while rear passengers are sitting with 38.7 inches of legroom, which is competitive with pretty much everything in the segment. Anyone who has ever crammed into the back seat of a small crossover for a 2-hour drive knows exactly how punishing that experience can be. Knees against the seatback, head grazing the headliner, no place to stretch out. The Trax is built differently. The longer wheelbase compared to the previous generation pushed the passenger compartment further, and the results are noticeable the moment you slide into the back seat. Cargo space comes in at 25.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding all the way to 54.1 cubic feet with them folded, a strong showing for a vehicle this size. The driving position sits lower and feels more car-like, which most drivers are going to appreciate right away. But space and comfort only tell part of the story, because what Chevy is packing into this cabin in terms of features is where things get really interesting. Features. The Trax is genuinely well-equipped right from the base LS trim. Every model is coming standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. A Wi-Fi hotspot is also standard across the board. These are features buyers in premium segments were paying significantly more for just a few years ago. Moving up the lineup is where things get particularly interesting. Many buyers have felt burned before, paying for a higher trim only to discover the upgrades barely justify the extra cost. That's not the situation here. The LT trim brings an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen and an 8-inch digital gauge cluster, automatic climate control, a 6-speaker audio system, roof rails, and push-button start. The optional LT convenience package layers on heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, keyless entry, and heated power mirrors, all for a very manageable additional spend. The two RS and Active trims sit at the top of the range, bringing 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the variant, along with the full LT convenience package as standard. The Active adds a power-adjustable driver's seat. An available driver confidence package brings blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control, features that make a genuine difference on busy highways. A sunroof and wireless charging pad are both optional on most trims, and together they go a long way toward making the Trax feel like a much more expensive vehicle. So, the feature list is genuinely impressive for the money, but none of it matters much if the Trax doesn't actually feel good to drive, and that's where the next chapter gets very compelling. Sporty handling. Here's where the Trax continues to surprise buyers who walk in expecting a basic appliance. The handling is notably more car-like than most crossovers in this segment, and that matters for everyday driving, not just back roads. The steering is precise and predictable, while brake pedal feel is reassuringly firm, building confidence quickly in mixed traffic conditions. Most people shopping in this price range have quietly accepted that affordable means boring to drive, that the suspension will be bouncy, the steering vague, and every corner a mild act of faith. The Trax pushes back against that assumption pretty convincingly. The suspension setup is not complex by any measure, but Chevy engineers tuned it to strike a strong balance between ride quality and agility. Choppy pavement, highway expansion joints, and the occasional pothole are all handled without rattling occupants around. Body roll in corners is well controlled for a vehicle with this kind of ground clearance, and the light curb weight contributes to a feeling of responsiveness that simply isn't common at this price point. The Trax isn't claiming to be a sport crossover, but for daily commuting and weekend trips, the driving experience is genuinely pleasant. That chassis confidence wouldn't mean much, though, without a powertrain that can back it up, and there's more to say about what's sitting under that hood than you might expect. Powertrain. Under the hood, the 2027 Trax is carrying a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine producing 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharger does a solid job building low-end torque, and around town the engine feels more than capable. Getting into traffic, merging on surface streets, and keeping pace through city driving all happen without any real strain. One thing buyers often overlook when comparing small crossovers is the transmission. After spending a week in a CVT-equipped rival, listening to that droning, disconnected sensation every time the engine hunts for the right ratio, climbing into the Trax feels like a genuine relief. The 6-speed automatic shifts smoothly and cleanly, without the rubber band sensation that competitors like the Honda HR-V and Subaru Crosstrek tend to produce. It's a detail that adds up to a noticeably more composed daily driving experience. Fuel economy sits at an EPA-estimated 28 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, with real-world highway testing returning around 30 miles per gallon. The 0 to 60 time comes in at around 8.6 seconds. Slower than a hot hatch, but perfectly respectable against segment benchmarks. Now that we know what the Trax delivers under the hood and behind the wheel, there's one final piece left, and for a lot of buyers, it might be the most important one of all. Release date and price. The refreshed 2027 Chevrolet Trax is expected to arrive later this year, and pricing is going to stay well within reach. The current lineup starts just over $22,000 for the base LS, climbing gradually through the 1RS LT and up to the 2RS and active trims sitting around $26,000. The 2027 refresh is not expected to bring a significant price increase, perhaps a modest adjustment to reflect the new styling, but nothing that changes the value equation in any meaningful way. That pricing is one of the Trax's most powerful arguments. For well under $30,000, buyers are getting a fresh-looking crossover with genuine interior space, a solid tech package, better than average handling, and a transmission that actually behaves itself. The 2027 Trax is arriving with a refreshed face, a sharper rear end, and the same value-first attitude that made the current generation one of the segment's most compelling options. For the competition, that combination is going to be a very difficult problem to solve. Fresh styling, a genuinely spacious cabin, a feature list that punches well above its price point, handling that defies expectations for the class, and a powertrain that prioritizes real-world usability over raw numbers. The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is pulling together a combination that very few vehicles at this price can replicate. It's the kind of package that makes the segment's usual trade-offs feel unnecessary. And with the mid-cycle refresh now confirmed and a price tag that's still going to land well under $30,000, the case for the Trax has never been stronger. In a market where affordable increasingly seems to mean compromised, the 2027 Trax is making a very different argument, and it's one that's getting harder to ignore. But the competition has a lot to show as well. Rivals are numerous, and models like the new Toyota Corolla Cross you can check out in our next video have really set new standards for the once budget-friendly segment. Unbeatable fuel efficiency, combined with practical interior and probably the most reliable hybrid system on today's market, make it such an easy choice.